All right, to factory reset this, we've got to pop it up and we're going to look on the back side of it right next to the USB-C port. There's a hole. You're going to have to find a paper clip or some kind of thin tool to shove it down in there and hold it for 5 seconds. You should be able to feel it when you're pushing down on it. And then bam, it should factory reset. As a matter of fact, look, bam, factory reset. We're there. We did it. Not too hard, right? All right, so you've got to wait a couple minutes for this thing to go through its cycle. And I'm going to speed this whole part up until it gets to that magenta T. All right, so once it gets to this magenta T, it's going to process and it's going to take a couple minutes. I've sped this up. And then finally, it's going to pop in. You see it's powering up right now. You see that? And next, it's going to go to the navigation on the front of the box itself. So you can see it right there, how to navigate. All right, now you can go ahead and finish setting up your tower for your home 5G gateway internet Wi-Fi system.